Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Charge them, sign into your Apple ID, and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone. Once done, place the watch near the phone and open the Apple Watch app. Tap Start Pairing to initiate the process. You're doing this first to establish the secure connection and authorize device trust. Make sure the watch is powered on, press the side button if needed, so the pairing animation can appear and the phone can detect the watch. Once the pairing screen shows, point your iPhone camera at the animated pattern on the watch and center it until you see a confirmation. That's the fastest route. If camera pairing fails, choose Manual Setup and type the code displayed on the watch into the iPhone. After they link, you'll be asked whether to restore a backup or set up as new pick based on your needs. And then enable services like Location, Siri, and Analytics so apps and features work correctly. You finish by letting the watch sync content. This can take several minutes, so keep both devices close and connected to power if possible. Once synced, set a passcode, add cards to Apple Pay, and confirm notification and health permissions so the watch behaves as expected. Make sure to test a call or message to verify connectivity. If pairing fails, restart both devices, check for iOS and watchOS updates, and retry pairing. These steps resolve the majority of issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.